Hello everyone, this is Raghavendra, founder, Global Research and Training, Nai Delhi. We are going to start a series on Introduction to STATA. We will make some videos for beginners. It means it will be beginner friendly. We will also make some videos for intermediate user of STATA, and then we will also make some videos for advanced user of STATA. First, we will discuss on what is STATA. Stata is a statistical software package used for data analysis, data management, statistical modeling, and data visualization. When we will go through the origin of Stata, then we will get that Stata made by adding two words. First is statistics, and second is data. First three digit of statistics, STA, and last two digit of data, TA, made stata, which means statistics with data. Now we will discuss on additions and versions of stata. There are several additions in stata and several versions of stata has been released by Stata Corps. Different editions of Stata are available depending on research need. There are three type of editions. First is known as Stata BE. BE stands for basic editions. Second one is Stata SC, which means special edition. Third one is Stata MP, which means Stata multiprocessor edition. These three type of additions are suitable for which type of data. Then we will see or we will get the reply कि basic addition is good for small data sets. SE means special addition is good for medium and large data sets. Multiprocessor addition is good for very large data sets and advanced processing. Currently 19.5 version is going on in Stata. Now we will discuss on some features and we'll compare which features is available in which type of addition in Stata. First, we will discuss on maximum number of variables up to 2048 variables. You will be able to upload in all type of additions in Stata up to 32,767. It will not be usable or applicable for basic additions, but it will be applicable in special additions and multiprocessor addition. Up to 1,20,000 variable, it will be applicable only in advanced Stata or MP processor addition. Now we will go through the maximum number of observations up to 2.14 billions. It will be applicable in all type of additions. Up to 20 billions, it will be applicable only in advanced data, means MP addition. I'm leaving speed comparison. It is not much required to understand data, but there is need to understand number of maximum number of independent variables. So 798 variables, you can upload this. You can take maximum number of independent variable 798 you can take in basic version, in special edition, and in multiprocessor edition. But if you have more than this independent variables and up to or less 10,998, then you can use special additions and advanced addition. If you have 65,000 532 or less than it, then you can go through Stata MP addition. Now we will discuss on basic philosophy of Stata. Stata combines two type of way. First is called menu driven approach and second is called command based approach. In menu driven approach, we have to go through the menu bar and then we have to select some options on that basis we will be able to perform stata. Advantage of is it is beginner friendly. If you are new in stata, then you can go through the menu bar, you can select some option, and then you will be able to perform that analysis or that task. It means it is slower for then several times you have to select that option, so it will take more time. Now we will discuss on command driven approach. Users type command directly in stata. Advantage of it is faster, reproducible, and professional workflow. But limitations is that requires practice. If you are new in Stata, then it will be difficult for you to understand or to handle with the commands. If you have good practice and you have good knowledge of commands, then it will be good for you to go through command driven approach. Now we will discuss on the main important part of today's video, Stata interface. First, we have to understand interface overview of Stata. When we will open Stata, you will or when you will open Stata, you will see several windows, and each window has a specific purpose. Other than Windows, they have given menu bar and toolbars. Menu bars is nothing, but they have given some options such as files, edit, graphics, data, statistics. These all things are called menu bar. And downside the menu bar, they have given some specific icon, shortcut icons for opening data sets, saving files, print, and data browse, data editors. For such type of things they have given. Then it is called toolbars. It will be difficult to understand only with the theory, so we have to go through practical part. So we will be able to understand it easily. Now I am cutting this previous data sets. I have to open one new data stata, and here from here you can understand this is file, edit, data, graphics. These all called menu bar, and downside the menu bar they have given some specific icons for shortcut way. So these all are called toolbars. Now we will go through the windows, and we will discuss in detail about the window. They have given command window, result window, variable window, review window, properties window, do file editor. So in command window, you have to write your commands. Then Stata will give that specific result on the basis of your command. In result window, whatever command you will give to Stata, you will get result in display window. In display, in result window or in output window, you will get your result. Now we will discuss on variable window. Variables window, in this sections you will get all the informations related to variables, means variables name and label of the variables. Next one is a review window. Whatever command you will give in Stata, Stata will store all the commands in history window. It is also known as the history window, or it is known as the review window. Next one is the properties window. Property window is divided into two sections. First one is related to variables, and second one is related to data. In first sections you will get all the informations related to variables, and in second sections you will get all the details related to data sets. And the next one is do file editor. Do file editor is whatever command you will give to Stata, all the commands will be stored in review window. So from review window you can select all the previous commands, and then you can send it to do file editor, or you can open do file editor in Stata, and then you can write it directly from here. whatever command you will, amki I have not uploaded any data, but in briefly you can understand this one is command window. Here you can see this is command. So this is command window, and here you have to write command, and then you stata will perform on that basis after uploading data. This is a review window or history window. Whatever command you will give here, these all things will appear here, and whatever command you will give, you will get your result from here. And here they have given variables. So this is variable window, and you will get informations related to variables. And this is properties window. Properties window is basically for the informations related to variables. It's name, label, type, format, and other, and so on. And in data, you will get the information related to data like file name, labels, notes, observation, size, memory, and sorted by. These all things you will get in data. Now we will upload some data sets. So how you can upload data in stata? We can go through file. Firstly, we are going through the menu driven task. So here they have given file options. In files they have given open, and here we have to select our data sets. So suppose I have to upload this data, and then I will click on OK, open. Then it will be uploaded directly. Suppose ki I have to use another method. So what should I do? I will clear this data, and clear command will remove your all data sets from stata. Here I have given clear command, and data has removed from stata. So first one we have seen file and then open. The second one, we can go through the toolbar and we can directly click on open, and then this dialog box will open, and from here we can select that data, and then we can click on open. So it will be uploaded. Now I am going to clear this data again, and we will learn third method. So we can go through file, and here they have given recent file options, and we can choose that file if we have uploaded recently, and then it will be uploaded. I can clear this data again, and then one another way is we can click control in our laptop or desktop. Control and O. Control O stand for control open. So you can also click control and O, then you can select your data, and then you can click on open. Right. So these all are the part of menu driven, but other than it, there is a way through the command. So for this we have to write command use command for will be applicable in data upload. So we will write use command, and then we have to go through the data sets, and then we have to take path of that data. Here I will select that data, and then right click and copy as path, and then I will paste in stata and hit enter. Then it will be uploaded. Now I will remove this. Yeah, on the place of writing this, I have given this command earlier, so I will click on this. So this command will come directly this place, on this place. So we will hit enter. I have removed from here. There are two methods to upload your data DTA file. Whatever I have done, these all commands are steps for DTA file. DTA means DTA is an extension for stata file. Suppose ki we do not have a DTA file, and we have other data sets type like Excel format or CSV format or SPSS format, SAS format. So what should I do? We have to go through file, then we have to go through the import, and then from here we have to choose any one in which we have that specific data. Suppose ki I have to upload data in Excel format. So I will click on it, and from here I will go through the browse and I will select that data set, then click on open, and then here I will click on import first row as a variable name, and then click on OK. So here you can see it is uploaded new data sets, right? So these all are the process to upload your data. Now we can go through the do file editor. In our theory parts, they have given icon for do file editor, and we can command tab. If they have given data set, they have given variable, so we have to select gender income. So either we can paste in state. So I will remove here, but that variable should be in your variable list. Then we can write mean, and we can select that variable like family income, and then hit enter. So this is the mean of family income, and this is the number of observations. This is the command based approach. We can go through the menu driven approach. So we can go through the statistics, summary table, other table, then compact table. Here we can choose that variables family income, and here we can choose mean. Here we can choose another one like sum. We can choose standard deviation. We can choose maxima. We can choose minima, or we can choose as per your requirement. Anyone you can choose. So click on OK. And here you can see you will get this result mean. This is the sum. This is the standard deviation, maxima, and minima. So for this, we will meet in another video, and in that video we will discuss on how we can enter data in stata, and we will also apply some other statistical tools. For your time and patience.